The Revelation Spiritual Home has various platforms where people can interact and get important revelations and testimonies. Let us hear what Abantu had to say. The 8th of November is no ordinary day for us as the Blue Nation, but it's a day in which we rejoice and thank Umdali Nezithunya for bringing Imboni ephethe isibane to us. We have been through rocky hurdles for years, but today we are free from the chains of religion. This has been an awakening journey for many, and we have reached our breakthroughs. Amasosha shared their heartfelt birthday messages. Let us hear what they had to say. Asanda Mangaliso. Happiest and blessed birthday, Tata. Mtimkulu Uzwi-Lezwe Dongalomona. Mlomonga Tetimanga. Gosyomoya. Imboni. Light bearer. Thanks to Mfihlakalo for giving you another year to dominate. May you be granted all your heart and spiritual desires because you deserve that and more. My spiritual journey with Utata has not been an easy one. It was and still is rocky, bumpy, challenging, interesting, and an eye-opener in a nurturing way, but ipuzzle iyahlangana. Ndafika ekhayeni ndingumntwana in 2010, but ngoku ndingumama. Wiser and stronger, who's slowly climbing the spiritual ladder to reach the top of the spiritual pyramid. Umfihlakalo engumncedi and eventually become uzero. Enkosi Tata, ewe umntu omdala ndiyabulela for indima oyidlalileyo empilweni yam in all areas, nakusapho lwam nakwisizwe samasosha. Tata has grown tremendously in front of our eyes physically, spiritually, and economically. The rocky and bumpy challenges have lifted him up for the whole world to see amandla kamfihlakalo and amandla enkolo yakwantu. All I can say is, yanga ndihambe nawe Nkosi yomoya, ndingasaleli emuva ndisebenzise eli thuba endiliphiweyo. Ndiyakuthanda kakhulu Tata wam, umfihlakalo akugcine. Enjoy your special day. Noma Africa. I'll need at least 5 pages to describe my journey with Imboni ephethe isibane. Had I not met Imboni, I would have perished in my affliction. My journey has been one of awakening, a piercing light that has shattered all that I had known as truth. This journey has rebuilt me only to break me and rebuild me again. A continuous learning and unlearning. A journey with Imboni is one that shows me that truly a higher power exists. It has been a journey of deep-rooted love. I am confident in my black self because of this encounter. I know the deeper spiritual power of what it means to be a woman and how to tap into that power. I'm yet to fully understand what my purpose is in all this, but I'm eternally grateful for Imboni and what he does and what he stands for. Phila ngona phakade bungane, ubukho bakho bulithemba kuthi. I'm yet to gift you a book I'd like you to have, all in spirit-led time though. Africa Sun. Imvula everywhere, andazi should I say happy birthday or ndithi makwande ngoba mkhulu lo mntu kantu. The real birthday was the day isipho sakhe siphuma elubala sahluza inyani ebuxokini. The real birthday was first celebrated by Uzwi-Lezwe ngoba wafika wabakhulula bebotshiwe. The real birthday yaziwa ngamadlozi from Kemet to Azania, South Africa. The real birthday is known by izidalwa from different stars. Nabo bakwi-depth of the sea. His birthday was there even before he was here. Bakhona abanobufakazi. Xamaku kwizwe-lomoya, liqhubeke limkhusele ubhungane. Thumeka mshuqwana. Today was actually meant to be a shutdown. Not only shut the world down, but sihambise ukubonga to Umdali and the spiritual dimension. Uzwi-Lezwe was very deliberate when they chose Ubaba to carry out this great mission. My everyday prayer is to have the very same winning spirit. Not even once had Ubaba disappointed izidalwa. Not even once had Utata disappointed us as his followers. I'm grateful to izidalwa that chose me to be part of this great nation. I'm grateful to have lived in the era kababa Imboni. Happy birthday, Tata. Avela mntu yedwa. Imboni has been a spiritual father and a father figure to us with no present fathers. Imfundiso zakhe goes beyond spirituality. Uyaqeqesha, he nurtures, and when we leave the spiritual home, siphuma sihluzekile. No words can describe what intsebenzo zakhe has done for me. Diswela imilomo eliwaka, ngoko ndithi khula bhungane, mthimkhulu, mashiya mahle, ngelengele, ndlebentle zombini.
Thank you for tuning into Isambulo Summer Africa News. Please do join us again next week.